It's us again. Well, if you want to see the beauty of pure South Dakota, this is how it looks whenever it's a sundown. Well, first we're gonna go like down there to see some nature, and we're gonna run all the way down this hill.
Let's go!
Look. Okay. Oh, frick. You okay? Oh, man.
Guys, look!
Oh, man.
Oh my god, my knee made that one. Well, but we're just about to go down here.
And we'll show you guys our fort that we made out of nature. Mostly dead nature, but still, don't think that we're killing nature on purpose. But this block of wood, we just found randomly down here.
Yeah, someone probably made it, or a whole tree fell down.
Yeah.
This is where the entrance is.
Yep. It's kind of like a squirrel's nest, kind of.
Yeah.
In this.
We don't come here often, but it is pretty cool.
But if it's any muddy, there's like a carpet which is made out of wood. And yeah, so this is our part of nature. Oh yeah, and there's my cardboard box.
Okay, guys. Well,
we're gonna go this direction over here.
This used to be ice.
Yeah, all winter, all this snow and sludge was all ice. And as you saw up the hill, you saw a broken sled, and that piece of sled right here. Yeah, I went down the hill too fast, and also over here you may see this thing of wood. It was this part that snapped my sled in half. First I thought it would just be a little scratch because it just tore the back right off, but actually about 10 minutes later, bam, cracked in half. Yeah, all this snow used to be ice.
Well, that's the end of this video, but remember, if you always want to be awesome and more awesome, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when we're about to upload another video.
And also, don't think that we just do games and look at nature. We also do tricks and dares, which is kind of like truth or dare. Just, we have to do dares where, tricks, which are just like do a handstand, while dares is like jump down stairs. So, if you play a game like that with your friends, just remember to, if they choose dares, just make sure they wear some safety gear, okay?
Because if it's dangerous, it's going to be pretty bad.
Yeah, because look at some of the places where they might be, okay? So yeah, just peace out. See you later. Don't forget to press that like, subscribe, and notification button right below. So, see ya.
Oh wait, and also, check out my cousin's channel. I forget, but it's Tania Red House. Yeah, I think it's the Tania Red House. And also check out that channel. It's my cousin's channel. It's a pretty good channel. He has about 15 subscribers. Huh? So we started out. That's actually pretty good.
Yeah, so also don't forget to subscribe on our channels.
And share with your friends.
Yeah. While me, I have 0 subscribers.
Yeah.
So don't forget to subscribe. While my friend here on his channel, he has 1 subscriber. But he has a couple of views too. What? Hidden logs. What?
Guys, oh yeah, guys, and I remember this one time, you see that hill over there? I ran down all the way, and I thought I would fall in one of those like, remember, have you ever seen those like kind of bushes, but then the leaves are kind of pointy. I thought I would fall in one of those and hit myself, but
he survived.
yeah.
But yeah, soon on my channel, you're gonna see the haunted daycare too. Well, it's probably haunted because that's probably the theory of why it's closed. Because whenever babies leave, some babies leave that daycare, they go home crying that they don't ever want to go back to that daycare again.
Okay, and we're also going to probably make some spooky stories. If you want to listen to it, just like
and
subscribe.
And comment below what videos we should make. And yeah, this is my sled. Pretty bad damage, right? But at least the string held together.
Piece of broccoli.
Wow. That's how bad people are at littering. They throw away broccoli.
Hey, if you want to do it, if you want to see us do a dare, there's a hole in that. If you want to see us just like go under it, just comment down dare.
Yep. But actually do like dare twice and tricks twice, okay? So then we know that you really want to watch it, okay? So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So, see ya!